Hello everyone, I'm Alicia and welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. So do you guys remember a while back I got a bead haul from Czech Beads exclusive, and I did a few videos using their beads. I made a Nautilus beaded ring and a Nautilus matching necklace, and they turned out so cool. And I just recently used their Czech H Picasso seed beads to make my loopy leather bracelets, and I also used their Czech Picasso ring beads. Those are really cool. So I actually did 4 different tutorials using beads from that haul. Well, now Czech Beads exclusive has their own monthly bead subscription, and I'm really excited about it because this store is actually located in the Czech Republic. So they are getting the newest shapes and colors, all different kinds of goodies at this store, and a lot of the things I've seen on there I haven't seen anywhere else. So it's a pretty neat store, and I'm subscribed to their online thing where they send me emails, so I know what the new beads are and the sales that are going on and stuff. So it's pretty cool. So I have August monthly subscription right here, and I'm gonna open it with you guys for the first time. I haven't gotten their subscription yet, and I'm really excited about this. This month was actually my birthday, so this is kind of like a birthday surprise for me because I have no idea what's inside. And on their website I was reading, and it said that their monthly subscriptions have brand new beads, brand new colors and shapes that have just basically been made. So I'm really excited to see what's in this, and I'm gonna open it with you guys. I got a pair of scissors so I can open this. Okay, so there's a box inside, and I really didn't expect the box to be this small, but it's really tiny. It's so cute. And let's see. Here's their card, and I love their card because they have the measurements of beads on here. It's pretty neat. And here is some information. This box is called The Spirit of Nature, which I saw this on their website. And it looks like there's a list of the names, which is cool because then I could go back and reorder. Is this 2 pieces? No, it's just cut. Okay. So I can go back and reorder these things. I like that they have the names here. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my gosh. It's a button. Holy cow. This is the biggest glass button I've ever seen. That's really cool. So I'm just going to open this up and check it out. Wow, that is amazing. That's a button. Look at the shank right there. That is huge. Huge. I've never seen such a big glass button. What could I use this in? I think I would want to do a pendant with it. I would be afraid to put it in a bracelet because it's so big. I'd worry about it breaking. Me breaking it. And then we have, wow, there's a lot of stuff in this tiny little box. So then we have split rings, bright silver ones, and some tiny lobsters, which are great because I need tiny lobsters. I use lobster claws more than any other clasp. These are really small. So I'm happy to have those. And are these cabs? Oh, they're really small. These are tiny cabochons. I wonder if I can find them on the list. Opal Czech glass cabochon, 10mm. I think that might be these right here. These look like a 10. And they also look like opal. Oh, there's more cabs in here. These are really pretty. I love this color. And then there's these gorgeous Czech seed, or not seed beads, Czech fire polish beads. I love this color. It's an opaque green with like an AB finish. Actually, maybe it's not AB. Maybe it's like a vitriol color. Very gorgeous. Love those. And then here are some earring findings. And the product codes are on here, so if you go to their website and you type in the product code, like for this here, if I want to go back and buy another one of these, I could just go there and type in the product code and it instantly pops up. Because I've done this in the past with the seed beads I bought. I went to go back and see if they still have them in stock, and I put that product code in, and it just brought it right up. So these are feather beads. I just got these in another subscription box in a different color. They're really cool. Really neat beads. And of course I want to make flowers with these because that's what I love to do with the top drilled beads. But there's the product code again. Wow, this box is packed. Ooh. These are findings to use with the cabs, yes? Here are the blue ones. I think so. Yeah, those can be glued right in there. That's cool. So I would use E6000 glue. That's the best glue for jewelry making. That's really cool. This is a copper color. And these cabs here go in those findings. So that's pretty neat. I can actually just glue those right in there. Really pretty. These look like they're cat's eye, I want to say, but I don't know. I love them. They're gorgeous. And here's some more of the feather beads. These are white and black. The other ones were clear and gold. I think these would make awesome flowers. Oh my gosh, these are owls. They're double-sided. That's cool. One side's gold and one side's silver. I have some Czech owl beads, but mine are different. They're bigger than these. So this must be the new owl shape. There's also another Czech owl bead that is flat, and he has carvings on him. The one I have is more of a 3D shape. I've used them in a beaded bottle that I made. Those are pretty neat. I really like the different colors. That's pretty cool. And then more Czech fire polish beads, 4mm. These are beautiful. It's like an olive green color. I want to say they're Picasso. It's kind of hard to tell. I want to say they're really pretty. Ooh, and here's some of their findings. Some little charms. These have a green patina on them. Those are darling. I would love to have these in an inklet. Oh, and here is another finding, and it looks like those tiny little cabochons also fit into this. Yes? Oh yes, that is so cool. So look at that. I can glue that right in there with E6000. And you know me, before I've had a flower pendant, and it was just a metal flower pendant, and I had an idea to actually bead it. So with what I would like to do, I would like to glue this in here, and I would bead on this. Because of this is flat, I can use these corners here to bead over. So I would just bead over here and there, and it would look pretty cool. It's a really cool piece. And here are seed beads. Oh, this is awesome. I don't have this color, so that's really exciting. And they're really good quality. And I'm sure they're Czech. They look like Czech round seed beads. Very pretty color. And here are, I gotta go for these, dragonflies. They're so cool. I've been wanting to use these. I have one that I got from somewhere else. It's red, but here's a pair. I think these would also be cool if I could do like a beaded bezel around them for maybe a ring. or earrings. These are really neat. They actually almost look like there's wood grain in them, but they're not. They're glass. So those are pretty cool. That's definitely a new color right there. Are these peacocks? Yes, they're peacocks. And again, this box is called The Spirit of Nature, so there's a lot of nature stuff in here. Little animals and stuff. Those are so cute! So it looks like they have everything you need in here to make your jewelry. So here is the bead stringing wire. Nylon coated stainless steel bead stringing wire. And then they have the glue right here. That is so cool. Here are some super duos, I want to say. I don't think they're twins because of the shape. I want to say that they are super duos. They're really neat. Olivine green color. It's like an olivine green with a luster over it. And the luster has the white pearly color to it. Compared to the AB, like, those other ones I had. I don't think they were AB. I want to say they were Vitral. See how this is like a white pearly color? That's how I know that's luster. And then there are some head pins. And then here is the glue. That is so funny. I can't believe they also include the glue. Junior E6000. And there's 2 tubes. That's so cool. One would have been enough, but they actually put 2 tubes in here. Wow, that is a lot of beads in this tiny little box. So cool. I was really blown away by this button. I've never seen a button that big. And I've actually been on a button hunt for a while now. And I've been going and looking for buttons because I've been making bracelets and I need buttons. So it's kind of hard to find good quality buttons that are affordable. And this site here is very affordable. I really like their prices. And by the way, this box came really fast. Super fast. It was less than a week. So this is pretty cool. I'm really excited about this. I'm looking forward to playing with this stuff. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. I'm gonna go over this. I think what I might do is cut out with my scissors the names of the things. I'll figure out what the names are. I'll cut that out and I'll put it into the baggies so I know what it's called. But I really don't have to do it because I can just go onto their site if I want to reorder, put in the product code, and I can reorder from them again. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to leave a link for this subscription so you guys can go check it out. I think, I'm not totally sure, but I think it was $22 for the subscription, and then shipping was $4.47. I will leave a link for you guys down there in the description bar so you can go to the website and check it out yourself. But yeah, this is a pretty cool subscription box. I am shocked that they actually have the glue with this, and I really like the little cabs. It is so cool. Really cool stuff. I actually wonder if I can glue the cabs onto these and then bead around them with seed beads. Maybe delicas? That would be really neat. So yeah, I think this is pretty cool. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry I've made for my videos on my Facebook page and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.